Welcome to the charming cities of Orléans and Tours, nestled along the serene banks of the Loire River in France. These cities, steeped in history and adorned with architectural marvels, offer a delightful blend of the old and the new, inviting you to uncover their unique stories and vibrant culture. Imagine this. You're strolling through the historic streets of Orléans, a city with a past etched in the annals of Joan of Arc's heroic tale. The majestic Cathedral of Sainte Croix stands tall, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture. Its stained glass windows illuminate the interior, telling tales of faith and history. Orléans is a city that honors its heritage. Joan of Arc, the valiant young woman who played a pivotal role in France's history, is celebrated through various monuments and the Maison de Jeanne d'Arc. Here, you can step back in time and immerse yourself in the era that shaped the destiny of this remarkable city. A short journey from Orléans leads you to Tours, a city renowned for its architectural beauty and its rich cultural tapestry. Picture yourself strolling along the Loire River, the gentle breeze carrying the aroma of fresh pastries and blossoming flowers. The Place Plumereau, with its half-timbered houses and vibrant cafes, invites you to savor local delicacies and immerse yourself in the lively atmosphere. Tours boasts an array of charming chateaux, each with its own unique character. The Château de Tours houses the Musée des Beaux-Arts, showcasing an impressive collection of paintings and sculptures. The Château de Villandry, known for its breathtaking gardens, offers a splendid display of French formal and Renaissance gardens. Both cities are gateways to the Loire Valley, a Unesco World Heritage Site, and a treasure trove of vineyards and wineries. A visit to a local winery in the Loire Valley allows you to indulge in wine tasting, immersing yourself in the flavors and aromas of this renowned wine-producing region. Your journey through Orléans and Tours is a sojourn into French history, art, and gastronomy. It's an opportunity to delve into the past, appreciate the present, and envision the future. As you stand amidst the historical landmarks and picturesque landscapes, consider the mark you'll leave on the ongoing tapestry of time. What story will you tell, and how will the enchantment of Orléans and Tours influence your own narrative?